Hello family and welcome today. This is Beverly Black and welcome to our channel. This is our home. This is our place. So come on in, sit down and enjoy. Today we're going to learn how to make a Black Forest dump cake. And the Black Forest cake originated in Germany and it's one of their best loved cakes. But we're doing a dump cake today with the Black Forest. So stay tuned. Get your little drink. You hear the oven? It's set at 350. Get your drink, your coffee, tea, milk, whatever you may want. And sit back and watch as we learn how to make this Black Forest dump cake. The ingredients for this cake is you will need a 13 by 9 baking dish. This is 13 by 9. You need a box of chocolate cake mix, 2 cans of cherry pie filling, any brand, it doesn't matter. This is the Walmart brand that I'm using today. 3/4 cups of butter and 1 cup of hot fudge. And this is the Hershey's hot fudge that I'm using. This hot fudge, you will need to put it in the microwave. Try it 10 seconds at a time because you want it to get real liquidy. So we're going to go from there. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this Black Forest cake. I told you that it originated in Germany. And it is one of Germany's well-known cakes around the world. The Black Forest cake can often be made with cherry, has been made with cherry brandy. But in the United States, it is traditionally alcohol-free. So here in the USA, we don't put any alcohol in it. Traditionally, the Black Forest cake consists of layers now, of chocolate and cherries with whipped cream frosting, and it takes a long time to make. So this Black Forest dump cake, however, has all the chocolate and cherry flavor with none of that hard work of taking a long time doing. The cherry pie filling is sweet. Ooh, yes. And the hot chocolate just adds the chocolate overload. My, contained within this dessert. And you can serve this warm with a spoonful of whipped cream or ice cream on top with some grated chocolate and some cherries on top. So we're going to go ahead and get started because this has got my mouth watering for this Black Forest dump cake. And first what we need to do is we're going to put the pie filling in. These 2 cans. We're going to dump them in. I've already opened them up. And we're going to pour this in. And I see some little creature flying around in here. How's everybody doing today? I pray everybody's doing well. I pray for you all often because you are my family. Have you heard that song by what is his name, Ron Isley and Snoop Dogg, Friends and Family? I love that song, and every time I hear it I think of my YouTube family because you are my family. You are part of my family. So if you haven't heard that song, look it up. It's Friends and Family. Sometime on Pandora I'll play that song 4 and 5 times straight, just listening to it. I love the words and what it means to me is what I like. Okay, now I hope I told you to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. This cake will bake for about 1 hour. It bakes a little longer than the rest of your dump cakes. And yes, I'm using my finger again. It's clean. I wash my hands. Okay. Now we get ready to pour the chocolate cake mix on top. And we're just going to sprinkle that all on top of the pie filling. I guess I could take it out of the box. Okay, here we go. And this is going to really be a chocolate overload for us. But we're going to enjoy every bit of it. Woohoo! Look at there. Okay. And let's just spread this out a little bit and make it even so it won't be all lumpy. Here you go. I'm left-handed, and when I use my right hand, it feels so odd. But that's all right. Go back to my left. Now, I'm gonna put this hot fudge back in the oven, Lord, back in the microwave for 10 seconds while I'm putting the butter on, so it will be ready. Okay, and now we're gonna sprinkle 3/4 cups of melted butter. 3/4 cups of melted butter. We're gonna put that all on top. And on the side, if you did it like I did. Let's wipe that off. Okay, I'm gonna let it run in these areas that it wasn't in. There we go. So it won't be all dry. Okay. Put some of that over there. Okay. Now we're going to put this hot fudge on top of this. And here's the fudge, and we're going to pour this all on top. Okay. Can you see what is about to happen? Can you just see? This is gonna be good. Y'all thought that lemon dump cake was good. You wait till you taste this one. Oh Lord, yes. And we will put it in the oven and bake it for an hour. This bakes for 1 hour in the oven on 350. And then when it comes out, I will be back and let you see the end results. But here it is. Here it is, y'all. Chocolate, chocolate. Look, I'm trying to pour that over on some of these dry places. Okay. See you back in an hour. Okay. It is out of the oven. Will you look at that? All of that chocolate goodness. Let me get a little bowl and scoop up a little bit. Hold on. Okay, we're gonna scoot up some here. Oh my goodness. It's still hot. Can you see the smoke? Look at there. Right there. Let's get this chocolate I can't leave. I'm going to put a cherry on top. If I can get one out of here. And a little whipped cream. Uh-oh. Ooh la la. Look at there. Let me take this spoon out. Just look at there. Thanks everyone for coming. Thank you. Here's your bite. Enjoy. It was so good. This is a must. Oh yes, this is good. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece, and our God does not make any junk. Be blessed. Love you.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.